Samsung teases its next phone, the second coming of the Galaxy Note. Well, this would be the, whatever they're going to call it. I don't know, S22 Note. Or maybe maybe they don't do S22 Note. Maybe they do Note 22. They're not going to do that. Maybe it's just the Galaxy Note from year to year.
Yeah, just call it the Note.
Like how Apple does it.
No,
Apple doesn't
2022.
do it like that. No, they don't do it like that. No one does it like that. Well, I mean,
Cars.
it is. They are 2022.
Yeah.
It's so weird the way they compete with these numbers.
Name it like cars.
Yeah, I know. We talked about this before.
Yeah.
You just say, oh, look, it's the Model S. And then what year is it? Well, we'll figure it out, you know?
Yeah.
Honda Civic, 2022.
Yeah. I mean, it makes more sense.
What's the car you were supposed to get? Whatever happened to that?
The 4Runner?
Yeah, you didn't get it yet?
TRD Pro.
Easy. Holy cow. At Unpacked in February 2022, we'll introduce you to the most noteworthy S-Series device we've ever created. Okay, so they're going to call it S-Series. It's going to be S22 Note. This came from Samsung president Dr. T.M. Rowe, head of the company's MX business. The next generation of Galaxy S is here, bringing together the greatest experience of our Samsung Galaxy into the ultimate. Well, I mean, we saw the little model devices, and it was obvious that the biggest one would sort of take the place of the Ultra, and there was too much crossover with those devices anyway.
I don't remember. Did it have pen support?
Yeah.
As well? Oh,
well, wait, which?
The S22 Ultra.
S22 Ultra.
The model.
Oh, the model unit?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why no one was calling it Ultra. Everyone's getting rid of the word Ultra and just assuming it would be called the Note because it did. You couldn't actually remove a pen from it, but it had the area where a pen would be held.
Yeah,
exactly. So, I mean, I think people will be happy that the Note lives on because there was a rumor for a period of time that it was going to go away. So I think people will be happy that the Note continues, but I guess there probably will be one less device to choose from because you would have had S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, and a Note series each year. It might have been overkill, though. It might have been too much selection. I don't know.
Yeah. Do you remember, like, the first Note had a 5-inch screen?
And it was enormous, and people said, you're crazy. No one's going to use that. I'll go even further.
It was a phablet.
I'll go even further than that, Will. I'll go to the Dell. Dell put the first phablet out. Nobody even nobody even remembers that. Dell put the first phablet out, and everyone said, that's crazy.
And they discontinued it.
It was Streak. Is that it? Dell Streak.
Oh, yeah. It sounds really familiar.
It's huge. No, it was like, what is this thing? I remember people thought it was crazy. I thought it was kind of cool, but never imagined it would catch on the way that it did. The big phone.
Yeah.
And at the time with that device, it was comically big. When people were holding it, it was like a joke. It's like, are you for real? You're holding a tablet to your face. And hence the...
Oh, that's a venue.
Hence the phablet terminology coming into play. And now they're just all phones. It's got to be real big before you start thinking of other terms for it.
Yeah.
It's crazy.